Dreamweaver can also integrate real nicely with any Flash HTML properties that you want to specify for your Flash movies right within your Dreamweaver document. Let's go back into Dreamweaver and take a look at a slideshow, an animated Flash movie that I currently have on my web page. It's just a series of images that fade in and out on the screen. Let's take a look at some of the Flash HTML properties that we can specify for this movie right within Dreamweaver if we choose to do so. You'll notice with my Flash movie selected, if I draw your attention to my property inspector, I can take a look at several Flash properties for my movie. First of all, you'll notice the file size, 33K. This was a movie I created in Flash, but now I can look at how large it is in Dreamweaver, pretty respectable. And I can also take a look at the width and height properties for this movie, as well as, very important, the quality setting. The playback quality parameter will specify the quality as well as the speed at which this movie will play back on different visitors' computers. Keep in mind that Flash movies are processor dependent, which means if you have visitors with very slow, antiquated machines and slower processors, if you have a Flash movie that contains a lot of text, a lot of fading effects with alpha settings, and a lot of bitmap imagery, well, that content may load more slowly and play back in a choppy fashion on slower machines. While on the greater machines, the newer and faster machines of today, well, it could probably handle this type of animation.